The future of AI writing is here. Why I'm saying you can see yourself. So let's start the video. Firstly, you will have to come to this website app.yara.ai. I have given the link in the description. After logged in, this kind of interface will come. Then click on tools. Then you can see the blog generator, writer, keyword, content improver, email generator, product description, blog generator, book description. So there are so many things. So let me try a few options. So let me try book description. Here you will have to give the book title, any book you want. This is one of my favorite books. So I just given the name of this book. Here you will have to give generation, enter the topic. You have to select the tone, just generate. See, even the real time book description they have given. And this is the real book description. So this is amazing, guys. You can just copy it from here, and even you can make audio book out of it. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.